XLM has been on an interesting rally. This thing is absolutely crushing the entire market up drastically. We're going to talk about what's possibly to come here shortly for the XLM price. So Stellar Lumens, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X, wherever you're watching this. And let's get into our video here. So Grayscale Stellar Lumens Trust filing triggers a 58% hike in XLM price. I also did a video yesterday about some other endorsements and things that are also helping propel the price. So it's not just this Grayscale trust, but there's a number of factors also. But this is the first I've heard of this happening. So I figured I'd bring it to you guys just to let you guys know what's going on, just so you can stay up to date. So we did see a huge price surge over the past 24 hours. I have a ton of things highlighted here, but it's not going to be that long of a video, I promise. So make sure you guys stick around to the end here. So it was the biggest performing asset in the entire crypto market, basically. Well, not entire, but in the top cryptos, anyways. Grayscale has submitted a recent 10K filing by Grayscale Investments LLC for its Grayscale Stellar Lumens Trust. So basically, what that is a report submitted to the SEC, just kind of giving them an idea of what is going on with their funds. It's kind of an audit paper trail kind of thing, right? It's for the fiscal year ending in September 30th. Noted that the trust recorded a 10% uptick in its overall net assets during the financial year considered. 10K filing, like I said, they're required to submit it, and it's overview of the company's performance, basically. Audited financial statements, business operations, risk factors, and management discussion and analysis. The Grayscale Stellar Lumens Trust, XLM, did face some losses, and it was due to the token price's depreciation during the period in the report, and the fees paid to the trust sponsors. And these losses were offset by a 34 million tokens valued added to their trust, and it resulted in a net increase in the trust's overall assets. So basically, their investment portfolio grew by adding these tokens, right? Over the past 24 hours, it was the market's top gainer, and the daily chart, though, however, is suggesting we could be into the overbought territory here. The RSI is at an all-time high of 92, and is showing that it is in the overbought zone. So XLM's price is trading above the upper line of the Bollinger Bands indicator, confirming the likelihood of a price correction. It's at risk of a pullback in the near term. So we can see basically on this chart here, the Bollinger Bands are shown here. We can see it's at the top following this lineup right here. XLM price prediction, we could see it potentially have a pullback here. The Fibonacci retracement tool says if this price happens, the target could be the support level formed at about 35 cents. So that could be a potential entry point, potentially, if you're looking to get into a trade before basically altcoin season starts. I did have a recent video I just did on altcoin season. We're not quite there yet. So this is just kind of a pre-rally. It's very interesting. But if buying pressure intensifies, we could see it breach that 52-cent level. So let's jump over. We're going to take a look here. We did briefly get up to this 53-cent level, but it didn't hold. So we're jumping back down. It's down to about 48 cents right now, still up 42% in the last 24 hours. The volume is up 194%. And let's take a look. We're 46% away from all-time high, which was created 7 years ago at 93 cents. So this thing still has a ton of movement, in my opinion. I think we're going to see this a bit of a pullback. Most likely, present some opportunity for some profit taking for those who had got in or have been holding this for a while. And we're going to see that. We're going to see some profit taking going on, and then we'll get ready for hopefully the next leg up. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to give you a brief overview of what's going on with XLM today. Definitely still a good day, and hopefully you guys are making some money this weekend. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.